Besides providing yourself with healthy vegetables and fruits, practicing gardening will do a number of benefits for your body that are much greater than consuming healthy fruits. There is a lot of illogicality in our lives and behaviors. For example, people use escalators to avoid walking, and then they go to the gym and work out on the treadmill. If you go to the supermarket to buy fruits and vegetables and then you visit the gym to work out, you could combine these two things by spending time in the garden. The garden requires little effort. It will surely surprise you how many calories you can burn while doing this activity. You can burn an average of 510 calories in just an hour. By comparison, running at a slower pace for 1 hour burns the same amount of calories. But gardening has many other benefits for our physical health besides burning calories. How does gardening affect our bodies? The garden affects our whole organism from head to toe. You certainly did not know that gardeners have lower levels of cortisol, a stress hormone. They sleep better at night and are more relaxed and have better mental health. Gardening naturally improves heart function, builds and increases endurance, and reduces the risk of heart attack and stroke. 30 minutes of moderate intensity physical activity a few times a week can prevent and control high blood pressure. Even the American National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute recommends gardening for 30 to 45 minutes as a measure of physical activity required. Plucking, hoeing, raking, and packing leaves include constant bending, twisting, lifting, and carrying something, all of which strengthens the muscles of the back. You have to kneel when weeding so that you do not bend from the waist to the ground and to prevent any back injury. Apart from the back, gardening has some positive effects on your arm as well. Trimming hedges with shears strengthens not only the triceps and biceps, but other muscle groups as well. Not to mention the effects of digging or hoeing, as these are much harder than trimming a hedge. Raking and carrying leaves can also tone your upper arms and increase your flexibility and strength. Plowing and weeding will allow you to have a stronger hand and better mobility of your fingers. Gardening can help you remove fat from your stomach. Plucking weeds requires not only the strength of your hands, but also activates the abdominal muscles, which helps to strengthen them. As you move to pull weeds from one place to another, you activate and tone your gluteus muscles, which helps to have a tight backside. In addition, gardening improves balance and flexibility and prevents falling. This is especially noticeable in older people. When you are outdoors and your skin is exposed to the sun, this allows the body to create vitamin D. This vitamin helps our body to absorb the calcium, a mineral essential for bone formation. In addition to all of the above, interacting, chatting, and exchanging opinions and tips with other gardeners around you enhances your social skills, while staying outdoors and growing plants makes you feel better both spiritually and mentally. The additional benefits of gardening. Gardening has a variety of benefits, such as consuming healthier foods, saving money, safer and cheaper supplying with organic fruits and vegetables. Besides that, you will unconsciously provide the habitat for many useful insects and contribute in preventing pollution. Of course, all of this is provided that you have your own piece of land. If not, consider joining and running a shared urban garden in your city or neighborhood.